Together, we redefine brilliance that makes decoration more sustainable and brands stand out on the shelf. Sustainable shine replaces traditional foil, delivering the same high-impact appearance while reducing waste and cost. A proven solution that cuts emissions by up to 25% without compromising on brilliance. Available globally on both paper and film, Sustainable Shine offers full creative freedom with no color limitations. Major brands have already made the switch, reducing waste by tons and achieving significant cost benefits. Sustainable Shine, the sustainable choice with tangible business benefits.